Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So basically I'm going to show you guys how to build this kind of investment website. It's nice, it has a nice UI and all. So I click on sign in. So I already have an account, so you see how the sign in looks like. It is nice, it has a nice UI. So I'm just going to click I will sign now. So my password, I'll click on sign in. So please wait. So just hold on a sec. Why to dive into the dashboard? So you can see how the dashboard looks like. It has a nice dashboard. You can see it looks like there are a lot of functionality. You can deposit, withdraw, transact, transfer forward, etc. So basically, you can see how it looks like. The nice investment website to be precise. So I'm going to show you guys how to do this. Please just watch from start to the end. Don't forget about this source code. If you link source code, if you DM me on WhatsApp. So let's get started. You see my number on the screen. So let's get started. So first thing first, you get your C panel. Once you get your control panel, and this is my control panel here. I believe you already know what the control panel is. So you've gotten your control panel, you log into your public underscore HTML, your public underscore HTML. Now once you're done entering your public underscore HTML, you click on public HTML and then you upload the file. But I'm going to upload the public HTML. I'll open this particular folder here. This folder, that's what I'm using for my website. So I'm just going to select all this and delete them because I already have too many things in my public HTML. So I'm just going to open this folder. So this folder, I'll upload my file. So I'll click here. I'll click on select. Then I'll go here. I'll go here, click on this, then I'll go create then I'll go, this is okay down. So this is the website. I'm just going to click on upload. So but there's no point in me uploading because I already have it in my control panel. So I'm just going to exit this. So you're going to upload this. Once you're done uploading that, you extract the file, but there's no point uploading that. I'm just going to go to the same folder because I posted that here. I'm going to select all, right click, I'll select all, right click, and I copy. Then I'll move everything to that other folder. I believe folder is this. Okay, not that. It's okay, this. So I'm going to paste it here. Then I'll copy to this. Now we just going to hold on a sec for it to copy completely, but you're going to extract yours, don't copy yours. So I'll just copy mine. So I'll go back here, and if I check my folder, the folder I uploaded it to, everything is there already. So as soon as everything is there, I'll go back. That's not you're going to do yours, you're going to extract yours. So once you're done extracting yours, the next for it is for you to upload database. Now the database, you're going to see it there. So this database, you download it and create a database file. You create a database in my PHP man. So I'm going to download my database, but there's no point downloading my database. I can just click here and download it. That's what you're going to do. Once you download your database, next for you to do, don't do this. I just want to check something here. Okay, view. So I'm going to create my own database now, right? So these are you create your database. Just search database. So I'll call this switch same things switch okay. So I like paste, and I'll create database. Also, I'm going to allow all privileges, so you're going to do that and make changes. Now go back to my PHP admin, so I just type PHP. So you see it there. So this is the database we just created now, which is called switch, right? So I'm going to export the database. So there's no point in doing this. Also, I'm just doing this because I don't want I just don't want to. Okay, let me go back. I just want to import that particular database. I want it to come with every single thing here. So I'm just going to click on export. Don't worry about that. Don't do this I'm doing right now. So so this is what you're going to do now. Once you go back to your switch, your database, the database downloaded. After downloading your database, you import that database. But me, I'm going to import the one I just exported. That's what I want to use. So I click on this. You click on import. So after importing it, just hold on a sec for it to load properly. Remember, I have to also copy this database name, because that's what I use as the username password of my database. So I'm going to click here, click here, go back to my file manager again. Then I'll go to this. I'll go edit this. Then I'll come here and we'll change this to that. Right, so I'll click on save. While clicking on save, I can also at the same time copy this and just paste it as a URL here, right? So you can just save that. Okay, so we're done. So the next for us to now, this is the initial one, right? So next for us to now is for us to just paste our website.com and see how it's going to look like. So you can see this is our website. You can see how it looks like, right? So we're going to take this, open a different URL, paste this and run it again so you see it properly. You can see how the website looks like. So since we're done with all this, the next first is for us to take this, we'll go back to this. Go back to this, close this. Okay, so we're going to open up manager. Open the folder, go to public. There's this guy you're going to see storage. Then we're going to delete that guy. Right? And let me just temporarily delete it. Once we're done deleting this guy, we go back to our website / run this. It's going to show a white background. Here you can see here show white background. So this white background means it has gone successfully. So we go back here, refresh. Right, go to public. See, the storage is here back already. So we're done with that. So next for us to do now is for us to admin. So once you go admin, well, we don't actually know our admin password, right? So all we just need to do is for us to go back to our PHP admin, click here, I'll go to user, then I'll edit this particular user. I'll change it to the domain name I want it to be. Then I'll change the password to something nice. You don't need to know this if you don't want to. It's not necessary. The password will be given to you if you actually get the source code from me. So we click on go, So next we are here. So we're going to sign in. We're in the dashboard already. So this is dashboard here, right? So go to settings. From settings we have general settings. You change everything you want to change to the new one you just created. Right? So we can also just say okay this. Okay, take URL here, paste it here, and we're just going to save all these changes. We have a logo already, so go to download and look for the logo if it's here. So I select it here. So I will change, I will save. Right. Right, so we've saved already. Right, so let me go back. I want to check something. I want to check something. I want to check if this or this. Okay, we will know. So basically we're done with that. So we'll go back here. We use email. We'll change this also. Copy this, paste it here. Right, we save. So we'll go back. We check your email templates. Changes, copy, change this also, and you can save. So basically we've done that also. So the last thing just to do now is for us to scroll down here, go to communication and change this. So we're done with our website already. So thanks for watching this tutorial. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel also for more. Next we need to do now is first create an email. So we look for so you can't see all this. I'm trying to clear an email, so I can't show you the password. So we're done with that. So just copy this, open this, paste. You can see we change the logo, change it. So this is the new one that we just created. You can see it looks like. I can click on register to see. Sticking it back to the admin data. Sorry about that because I'm using the same browser. Not so the same URL browser. So you can see, but you can start trading. Clicking to register, you can see. So we don't do this website already. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Stay tuned. Remember, if you need the source code to this website, feel free to join me on WhatsApp. You see my number on the screen. Thanks for watching this tutorial.